Good morning, traders. Welcome to StockCast. My name is Todd Derby, along with my co-host James Mason. Our goal today is to bring you some insights and ideas to help you be successful in the marketplace. So I hope you all had a good night, much better than the night that James had last night. James, how are you doing this morning? A little bit, you're tired.
Let me tell you how it is to have kids. Now, for anyone else listening, let me tell y'all how it is to have kids, especially when they're sick and they stay up all night.
If you don't have children, this is a good birth control moment. And for those that do have kids will understand what you're going through.
Good Lord, man. I don't even know what to say.
Well, you'll have other nights like this. I promise you that. When they're sick, they're sick. There's nothing. It's the worst thing. You feel as a parent, all you want to do is make it better for them, and it's hard.
Man, I don't know. I'm gonna get Ilana and Maggie a hotel room so I can get some rest and relaxation. I deserve it.
Oh my gosh,
deserve it.
We're gonna witness a live shooting here on camera. She used to be a captain in the Air Force, so I know she can shoot.
Yeah. All right, guys. Apologies for being so late today. My daughter was up all night sick, and man, it sucks. All right, so Dow futures are currently down 163 points. S&P 500 is down almost 15 points. I'm expecting it to stay steady like this and just be a hardcore bloody red day in the market. So if you're trying to go long, it's going to be tough. These are those days that you either just not trade or you try to short. I mean, that's all there is to that. Pre-market, I haven't had much time to really dig in deep to a lot of tickers, but just from looking over everything, there's not really too much to really dig into. You know, some of the runners, I mean, they've already made their moves, but there wasn't anything really too significant that has happened. Todd, did you come across anything else?
There's three that are on my radar, literally my charts right now. The first one is NLSP, NLS Pharmaceutics. They dumped earlier than I expected. I was hoping to get them up over 5 to 6, and they were going to be a short candidate for me. Unless it comes back into over 450, hitting over 5, that's a no trade for me. The second one for me was DTSS, and someone mentioned that in our commentary. They were struggling to get over 5. Then they had a pretty good push. They got up to 560, and they're holding around 530. So this will be on my radar here in a few minutes when the market opens to see if they get a pre-market push, and then that would potentially be a short opportunity for me. And then the third ticker I was watching was SGOC, and they just, as we opened up the StockCast show, it just took a dump under 12, and that was the 12 was a critical point for me. So I'm going to watch that one also. That may be a short candidate for me also.
Yeah, as for day trading, I don't think I'm going to be day trading today. Yeah, I can't really see any setups for either direction. For me at least.
Someone was asking about. There's been 2 people who asked about ticker. Let's take a look at this one. We got 5 minutes to the market. Ticker MMAT, Meta Materials.
So this is that. Okay, never mind. I was thinking of something else. Well, hold on a second. Okay, never mind. I knew there was something up with this one. So this one is just coming off of a split, and with this, split just recently happening, that's really not something that y'all want to, in my opinion, want to start trying to chase right now. Why is everyone talking about this one so much?
Don't know. They just said that, there's no commentary other than just asking about the ticker.
Can you guys tell me, like, what was the reason why everybody jumped into this one? What's the hype behind it?
He's buried at 7.
Oh, okay, that's what it is, Brian. Thank you for saying that. This is that Torchlight. Is that ticker? Was it THR something or TR?
TRCH.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Oh.
Okay, so this one, when they were talking about that whole special dividend thing, that entire setup from that CEO was super weird and very sketchy. And then it literally died. Honestly, it looked like the CEO was just pumping his stock. Nothing more to that. Now, did anybody get their shares yet? That's what I want to know. I've been seeing a couple people stating in the Weebles Rocket group that they haven't received their shares. I'm not sure if they have received those in their account or not. See, I'm just waiting to see what everyone says in the comments.
John said yes.
Okay. What sucks is I know their information isn't going to be updated and to represent an accurate share structure. Yeah. It's not even showing anything on my end for a share structure at all. So does anybody have any clue, like, what their new outstanding shares are going to be or how many are going to be on the market? That's going to play a large role into this.
They have zero value until they sell Torch assets.
Ooh. Yeah. So first off, guys, this is something that before they done this little special dividends thing, I just started hearing everybody talk about it, and I was just weary with the whole special dividends and everything that was going on. None of it made sense whatsoever. But I also don't know exactly what the company is trying to accomplish. I don't know if they have any kind of catalysts. I would assume that they probably don't. Man, so trying to be in this one and be bullish it's gonna be tough. Just based off this chart setup, maybe you guys will get lucky and we have a bounce here off this daily chart on that 200 EMA. But as for it going up here to create new highs, I have a hard time seeing that. Like, they're going to need to pull something hardcore out of their back ends to make this one happen. Yeah, so I mean, there's not really much I can tell y'all if you guys are still in this one. I mean, it does suck that how they truly pumped this one up to where, for a lot of people to receive that special dividends, I mean, you guys are gonna have to hold on and just eat shit, and until you get everything from them. Honestly, I just hate to say that. Like, I hate that y'all are in this situation. I hate to really put blame on a company, because usually at the end of the day, it's the trader's responsibility. But in this situation, I have to side with the traders. I mean, I feel like the traders just there's no other way to put it, got shitted on.
There's the morning bell.
Yep. But yeah, I feel like retail traders got just completely screwed over in this entire little pump and dump by the CEO. And man, just be real with y'all guys, I don't even really know how to handle this one. Again, like, maybe you guys get a bounce off that 200 EMA on the daily chart. But man, I don't know. Todd, do you have any thoughts on that one?
I don't. It's I played it when it was TRCH, and I haven't been following it, so embarrassingly, I don't know enough about it to give any advice on it. it's a tough call based on the special split and the price where it's at and the price that they shared where they're at. So it's a tough one.
Yeah. Yeah. So other than that, I mean, that's like what everyone is talking about for the most part this morning now. Yeah. So again, guys, sorry for the short show this morning. Sorry for running late, but it is what it is.
Family gets in the way sometimes. There's nothing wrong with that.
Mm-hmm. All right, guys. Well, I'm personally not going to even do any day trading today. I just know it's one of those days that I'm not fully prepared for the market. And when you're not fully prepared for the market, it's idiotic to try to jump in and thinking you're going to make money. You're only going to lose money doing that.
Are you going to live stream then today, or are you going to take the day off?
There's no days off. That's how TT work.
I understand.
I'm actually going to cancel the live stream.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I honestly, there won't be any value I'll be able to provide in that. But other than that, all right, guys, y'all trade safe. Move the stop losses up. Again, I expect it to be a very hardcore red day in the market. It's already set up like that right now. So just trade safe, trade smart, especially if you're trading options. So y'all take care. I'm going to skip over my day trading stuff and then knock out some TT work.
We'll see y'all tomorrow morning.
All right, guys. Catch y'all later.